continuing East Coast swing, which is American rhythm style swing. And we are going to do we've done the basics, so we're going to do what's called a throwaway. Now, a throwaway is really pretty easy. It's a simple basic that turns, but the partner separates from you. So if I have my partner in closed dance position, I have my hand down here, my hand up here. Now we already know the basic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, and remember, no technique right now, you're just learning patterns. So you're going to go side, together, side. And as I step onto my left foot, I'm going to turn to my left and release my partner, and then I'm going to go side, together, side. Now right now, I'm going to go into my rock step away from my partner. So I'm going to go back straight, back, replace. Typically when we have a partner in our arms, we can't rock straight back because we'll look like that. We actually rock in what's called a fifth position, so it turns a little bit. But when you get away from your partner, we go back in what's called a fourth position, so it's straight back but small. All right, so again, I'll do it away from the camera. So it goes 1 and turn, release her, triple step, rock away, step, and then we can do our triple, our basic, and pick her back up. All right, pretty easy. So followers, your part is exactly the opposite. So I'll do it this way for you. So you're gonna go, you've got your partner here, like this, and you're gonna go 1 and 2, or side together side, turn, release him, side together side, back, rock, and then you go right back into your basic, and he will pick you back up or he won't. It's up to him. All right, he's the lead. All right. So again, I'll do that with time. I'll say the pattern again. So it goes 1 and 2, turn, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and that's it. All right. So it's pretty easy. Side together, side, turn, side together, side, rock, step, over and over and over again. All right, everybody, please have a wonderful, wonderful day.